Hey guys, my name is Braden, and in this video we're going to be taking you guys through the 5 side hustles that I've found that can pay over $50 per hour. Let's jump straight into it. Number 1 is video editing. Now if you're a video editor and if you know how to use Adobe Premiere Pro or Final Cut, that skill is extremely valuable and people will pay a lot of money for it. Now if you're a college student or a uni student or even in high school, there can be a lot of work out there for people that know how to edit videos. There's a few ways you can go about editing videos. You can edit for YouTubers, streamers. Now these are pretty hard to get, but you can always edit for small indie productions, that sort of thing, if you know someone in the game. But it's just all about getting your name out there, and video editors can earn upwards of $40 an hour. Obviously for good editors they're going to be getting paid a lot, but if you're just doing small jobs then it can be easily attainable to get $50 an hour. Number 2 is course creating. Now, creating courses has been all the rage over the last few years, and that's because it is so lucrative. Now, if you create a course on something that you're skilled at and you present with a lot of value, then people are going to pay for that course. And there's companies out there like Udemy, Skillshare, Teachable. Now, people make over 7 figures doing this. That's millions of dollars a year by just making courses. Now if you have a skill that maybe is a little bit niche, you might not be able to make 7 figures, but that time you could still be making a lot of money, and people make $50 an hour on the regular making courses, so it is a good one to look at if you do need a bit of side income. Number 3 is match betting. Now match betting is a favorite of mine as it is so easy to make money and it is really under tapped. Now if you're in Australia or a country that has sports betting, these sports betting companies love to give out promotions to get people hooked on their website, and if we're smart enough we can take advantage of these promotions, and there's ways, mathematically ways that you can go about extracting money. Now I'm going to put a few links down below if you're excited about that, about extracting money out of these sports betting companies. But it's really easy to do and it just takes a few hours on the weekend. But my first weekend I made over $1,000 just by sports betting using these promotional offers, so it is really a good way to make some extra side money. Number 4 is affiliate marketing via reviewing. Now a lot of people affiliate market these webinars, these get rich quick schemes, but if you're not about that, if you just want to make some side income, then affiliate marketing a product such as this microphone here, you might tell everyone that it's a good microphone, you might review it, give you an honest opinion, and if people find that video valuable and they go out and then buy that microphone, then you're going to get a small cut of that commission. And people make a lot of money doing that. It is a viable way to make money. Obviously it'd be slow at first, but once you got a lot of videos out there reviewing products that you have an honest opinion about, there's decent money to be made, and you can be making well over $50 an hour for the time you put in to make them videos. Number 5 is tutoring. Now if you're a teacher or a college student, or even if you've just done well in high school, there's a market for people that need your skills. Now people will pay 40 to 50, sometimes higher, sometimes less, but they'll pay a fair bit of money just for you to teach them or their child some valuable high school skills. If you're tutoring maths or English or science or something in high school, you can earn like $50 an hour. The way to go about it is just by putting your word out there that you're tutoring. Now you can do this via Facebook community pages. You can go online and post on like forums and stuff like that. But the best way to go about it is just by word of mouth and getting the word out that you're going to be helping people with tutoring. And if you're in an expert position, then they're going to help get more clients, because they're going to bring in other clients. They're going to tell everyone that you're a really good tutor and you're going to be able to get more clients that way. Now if you can't find people to tutor around your community, you could always jump online and tutor on something like chegs.com, and now this is a website that offers tutoring online, and so you sign up for that, you get paid, I think it's about $20 an hour, and so that's a really good way to make an extra $20 an hour. Alright guys, that has been 5 high paying jobs that you can do in 2019 that'll pay you $50 an hour. Now if this video has been a help to you, like and subscribe is always a help. Thanks for watching. Good Goodbye.